Power, baby. Oh my God, is this not a cool box? It is really cool. And look at that little penguin. How cute. So this is the FC15. It's 15 liters and 15.8 quarts. And it comes in at a whopping 22.4 pounds. I think one of my favorite features, you guys, is that you can open this fridge / freezer from both sides. This top can be removed just this easy. It can be flipped around and then attached on this side, just like that. That's simple, you guys. These are all the goodies it comes with. Your manual, your plugs for AC and DC. It even comes with a cup holder, an umbrella holder, and a bottle opener. And this is where I'm going to set my fridge, right there. I have my kitchenette there and my fridge there, and it's so convenient. I can just open it up and get whatever I need. There's even a couple stickers to help guide with the temperature and troubleshooting. I really like that they have long cords. Just depending on your layout, you might need to stretch that cord out. Mine is conveniently located next to the battery, so that helps. But depending on where your battery is and your plugs, this is very handy to have the really long cord. Another great feature is that they added a cover for this plug. That way when it's not in use, it avoids having dust and dirt and anything in there. Not only is this a 12-volt fridge, but you can also use it on 24 volts, 110 and 240. Also perfect for emergency situations. Just plug it into your power bank when the power goes out. Not only does it keep your food from spoiling, but also your medication. Okay, let's plug it in. And now the DC is on. All right, it's solid, it's secure. Now let's turn it on. I like how it has a very simple digital screen and it doesn't have a light inside the fridge. Very energy efficient. I just heard the compressor kick on and it is so low. It's like a low humming sound. I don't know if y'all can hear that. All right. So they had it preset at -4 degrees. Let's kick it up to maybe 35, 39 degrees. Yeah, let's do 35 and see how that goes. All right, let's see how many watts it's pulling. All right, currently 56 watts. It's pulling 42, 41 watts. And we are down to 41 degrees. So it's cooling it off really fast. A few minutes later, we made it down to 35 degrees. That was really fast. Let's see what it's drawing. 0 watts. That's awesome. It's not drying anything as soon as the compressor shuts off. So there's a couple different colors. You can either get the black or a very nice green color. You can hang the umbrella holder or make that a fishing pole holder, plus your drink. Very durable and solid material, very thick walls, helps for insulation. I think this can even hold about a week's worth of food for me. So if I decide to put it on top of my kitchenette versus having it on the floor, I can always remove the cup holder and the umbrella holder and then just strap it down. It's got 4 points where I can strap it down, 2 on each side. If I happen to need extra room here to carry something, I can always put my fridge on top of my kitchenette and just strap it down just to be safe. I've also included the user manual screenshots just for those of you that enjoy watching that. Tons of great information on there. They've got 3-year warranty, Plus, if you need more detailed information, make sure to check out their website. I will leave all the information in the description of the video. The best part is that it's well made and it's very affordable, so check them out, guys. This is what I'm going to be taking on my future road trip to Texas.